Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a free AI avatar with Blue Willow. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Discord, then go to Blue Willow server. Once you have entered the server, join any room. After that, search in your browser for an image you want to edit and copy its link or URL. Then, go back to the Blue Willow server and type the /imagine, then paste the link or URL. After pasting it, input the keywords based on how you like your AI image results to appear. Repeat the same process if you want to try other keywords and different types of AI images or have variations. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.